Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add bio on Clubhouse. I wonder why you want to know how to add bio on Clubhouse. Maybe because since you have created your account on it, you haven't uploaded any bio, so now you want to. Or maybe you have seen something on the internet like any kind of quote or saying, and it really inspired you, so you want to write it as your bio. Or maybe you just want to explain about yourself, or there's anything that you really like, so you want to write in your bio, or there could be any other reason for you to add your bio on Clubhouse. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Clubhouse app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Clubhouse app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. Here you could see the title of the app and some of the options at the top and some of the bottom as well. And in middle of the screen, there are different rooms that you could join, listen to the conversation, and be a part of it. Other than that, we have at the bottom second option, which is explore. Once you tap on it, you will see this. Here you could search for different people, houses, and rooms. So this option is for houses, where you can join houses and can be a part of different communities. So now what you have to do here is that you just have to simply get to this home section. Once you get here, there you will see these options. Just simply click on to right one option, which is your profile icon. Once you tap onto that option, you will land into profile. There you will see this interface. Here you will also notice your profile icon, your name, your username, and some of the other options as well. So here we have this option which says add a bio. Once you tap onto that option, you will be able to write your bio. So here you can write anything, whatever you like. It could be about yourself, like it is something that should describe you or narrate you, or maybe you have seen a quote or maybe anything written on the internet and it really inspired you, so you just want to write it here. Maybe if you have a business or whatever you do, you can type here about that, or whatever comes to your mind you can type it. There's no limitation to it. Whatever you want to write, you can write it. And once you're done typing it, just simply click on done option, which is in the middle of the screen. Once you tap on done, your bio will be updated at your profile. So it will just take a while, and here you can see the bio has been uploaded on the profile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add a bio on Clubhouse. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.